Light showering is allowed, but keep the pump away from the water. If the pump is accidentally wet, disconnect the pump and canister and contact your healthcare professional. The dressing is water resistant but should not be exposed to jets of water. For light showering, pause therapy by pressing and holding the green push button on the pump and release after 2 seconds. Clamp the canister tubing and transfer port tubing by positioning the slide clamps next to the green connectors and slide across the tubing until secured. Disconnect the canister tubing from the transfer port tubing. Ensure that the transfer port tubing is not placed into direct contact with water.